Dear all, good morning. I am Ms. Noble A. Paliyat, Assistant Professor, Department of English, Sacred Heart College for Women, Chalakudi. Let me begin today's session with a caption, Stories So Far. So far, we have discussed two concepts related to the academic discipline called linguistics. First, what is linguistics? And second, linguistics as a science. In today's session, let's have a look at the different levels of linguistic analysis. Linguistics, as you all know, is the scientific study of language. There are different levels at which we can analyze language. These levels are known as linguistic levels. By linguistic levels, we mean the levels of language structure. The number and terminology of linguistic levels may vary from one linguistician to the other. Umpteen terms have come to signify linguistic levels. For ease of learning, today we'll stick on to a very simple, basic classification and organization. The levels of linguistic analysis generally are categorized into three heads, namely sound, grammar, and meaning. Under the sound level come branches like phonetics and phonology. Morphology and syntax are included under the grammar level. Semantics forms a part of the meaning level. Now let's learn more about these linguistic levels one by one. Phonetics studies language at the level of sounds. It is the study of the way in which human beings make, transmit, and receive speech sounds. In other words, phonetics deals with the articulation, transmission, and reception of speech sounds. Coming to the second branch, phonology. Phonology deals with the selection, organization or arrangement and distribution of sounds in a particular language. Morphology, the third one, is the study of the internal structure of words. It is the grammar of words. It is the study of morphemes and how they are combined to form words. Syntax, the fourth one, is the study of how words are arranged or organized into higher linguistic units like phrases and sentences. Syntax is known as the grammar of sentences. It is the study of the arrangement of words in sentences. Now we'll come to the last and fifth level of linguistic analysis, that is semantics. Semantics is known as the study of meaning in a language. It accounts for the meaning of both words and sentences. It also deals with how language is organized to be a meaningful entity. So these are the 5 different levels of linguistic analysis. Before I conclude this session on levels of linguistic analysis, let me reinforce the 5 different levels. First one, phonetics. Second one, phonology. Third one, morphology. Fourth one, syntax. And you have the last one, semantics. So dear students, happy learning experiences. Until we meet again in the next video, stay tuned and thank you.